In this video, we are going to see that if you want to make Google as your home page, or basically any website as your home page whenever you load Google Chrome, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up the website, whatever you want to make as a home page. In this case, I'll just make google.com as the home page. So I have this open. Now let's open up a new tab, because whatever in this tab is open, I want to make this particular tab or this particular website which is open as the default startup page. So on a new tab, just click on the three dots on the top right and just click on the settings at the bottom. Here on the left side, it says on startup, just click on that. And on the startup, by default, it is set to open up the new tab page. Continue where you left off. That's a very good option as well, especially if you are regularly using a specific number of pages or websites. And you can also set a default to the specific set of pages. So let's click on that. And instead of adding a new page, we can also click on use current page. And you can see that it has automatically load whatever is open in the background. And that's pretty much all you have to do. First of all, just click on that. Just click on this on startup again to make sure that it is properly saved. Let's close out of here, open up the Google Chrome again, and you will see that automatically by default, Google will open. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.